Good morning! How are you? You may be sore from yesterday, so today's workout will be a little shorter. We will start with a warm-up, then the workout. Today, we'll do 4 exercises only. The 4 exercises are fast running with knees up, push-ups on knees, jumping jacks, which are my favorite fat loss exercises, and squats. We'll do the first 2 for 20 seconds, followed by 10 seconds of active rest for 3 times, and then 3 times jumping jacks and squats. And then we'll do 3 sets of all 4 of them. Let's warm up! If you feel that after my warm-up you are not ready yet, just pause the video and keep warming up for a few more minutes. Then, to your shoulders, circular motions. I also bent my knees a little. Going down in a lunge position while I stretch my upper body. Hold for a few seconds. Then, change to your other leg. Now, we are going to our legs, doing some slow squats combined with calf raises. Moving down to our ankles, doing circular motions. Let's start the timer. 20 seconds running. Just lift your knees and move your arms beside your body. And relax for 10 seconds, but don't stop. Now, 20 seconds of push-ups on knees. We'll do these 2 exercises 3 times. Active rest for 10 seconds. We'll start with fast running with knees up for 20 seconds. And relax for 10 seconds. Now push-ups on knees for 20 seconds. Active rest for 10 seconds. Active rest for 10 seconds. Now, 20 seconds of push-ups on knees. Active rest for 10 seconds. Now, we'll do jumping jacks 3 times for 20 seconds, followed by 10 seconds of active rest. Active rest for 10 seconds. Jumping jacks for 20 seconds. If you want to, you can do them even faster than I do. Active rest for 10 seconds. We'll do jumping jacks. Now, active rest for 10 seconds, followed by squats, 3 short, 20-second rounds and active rest. Active rest for 10 seconds. Again, squats to complete the second set. Active rest for 10 seconds. And 20 seconds of squats to complete the first set. Done with the squats. Active rest for 10 seconds, followed by 3 sets with all the 4 exercises. We'll start with fast running with knees up for 20 seconds. Active rest for 10 seconds. Now push-ups on knees for 20 seconds. Active rest for 10 seconds. Jumping jacks for 20 seconds. If you want to, you can do them even faster than I do. Active rest for 10 seconds. And 20 seconds of squats to complete the first set. Active rest for 10 seconds. Fast running with knees up for 20 seconds. Active rest for 10 seconds. Push-ups on knees for 20 seconds. Active rest for 10 seconds. Jumping jacks for 20 seconds. Active rest for 10 seconds. Again, squats to complete the second set. Active rest for 10 seconds. Now do this as fast as you can. We have just started the last set. And relax for 10 seconds, but don't stop. Push-ups on knees for 20 seconds. Active rest for 10 seconds. Now we are almost done. Last time we do jumping jacks this workout, so keep pushing. Now, active rest for 10 seconds, followed by squats. Active rest for 10 seconds. And we are done! Let's do our stretching. Great job! We'll start each stretching with our shoulders. Hold on each position for at least 5 seconds. really want you to breathe as deeply as you can during our stretching because you'll have so much more energy afterwards. Fill your lungs with air and then empty them. Now, we'll relax our spine, bend over your left leg, and hold for a few seconds. Then, moving to the center, and then to your right leg. Now, let's sit down and do another stretching move for our back and hold for a few seconds. Going into the Cobra pose. Bent over your left leg, hold for a few seconds. And then, when you feel it's enough, move to your right leg. You did great today. See you tomorrow morning. Drink lots of water today and follow the meal plan.